God have mercy upon us.
Okay, mount your camera on tripod on portrait mode. Then after that, you're walking. As you're walking now, look at what I am going to be doing. Then use your hand, do as if you are pushing something out. And make sure you are looking on that direction. Then do as if you are pushing something out. You can see what I am doing. Keep pushing things out to the number you think you want your video to be. You will push it to the number. If you want 7, if you want 9, just do that sign to the number of time you want your video to last. Okay, then after that, the next thing now is, then you use your hand, do as if you drag something down, then you kick it. Okay, after that, save the video to your gallery and head over to Capcut. Capcut, new project, import your video to workspace. Import it. Then at this point, click on the video, click on it, go and look for volume. Click on volume now, reduce it to 0. So at this point, you want to locate where you want your video to start from. You click it and make a split. You delete the unwanted parts. Okay, then after that, now after deleting the unwanted parts, click on overlay, photos. Then import your first food. Okay, click on the food, then you import it. Then at this point, you click on it and adjust it to the end where the video stop. Take it to the end. Okay, so align it. Then you come back. The next thing, you go and look for remove BG. Go and look for remove BG. Click on remove BG, auto removal. Allow it to remove completely. Mark on that good and go back. Then at this point, you crop it. You can see what I did. You take it up. Then you mark anywhere. You click on overlay again. You import your second food. You do the same thing. Take it to the end. Click it. Take it to the end again. After that, now you come and look for remove BG. After that, look for remove BG. Okay, like you did the first one. Click on remove BG, auto removal. Allow it to remove completely. Mark on that good. Crop it. Take it to the up there. Then at this point, you mark anywhere again. Click on overlay your third food. This is how you are going to do it. You know the number of food you want. You can use 2, you can use 3, you can use 4. As for me, I use 7 here. Okay, this is how you will do it until you do it to the number of foods you want. I use 7 plates here. 7 plates of food is what I use. So it now depends on you, the number you want to use. Like, comment, and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Okay, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. If you like this video, give us thumbs up. Okay, locate your notification bell so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. Welcome to the tutorial. So this is how you are going to be doing it until you complete it into the number of food you want. Then after that, now the next thing we want to be doing now is to make the food move. So look at what I am going to be doing now. Then you need to move it to the point where you're walking. Okay, look at it. At this point where you're walking, look at where you take your hand up. Go and start from the last food you put here, this one, because that is what is at the front. So you come and click on that very one, the last food here. Click it. As you click it now, you want to locate key. After you have taken it up, align it to the point of your hand. Then after that, you come and click on that keyframe. Okay, after you have finished adjusting it, click on keyframe now, then adjust it a little. Okay, you need to take time here. Don't rush. Okay, don't rush. Look at what I did. But if you play it now, you will see that it did not align. Look at it. It did not align. So I will have to bring it back and make it well. Do it okay. Okay, just as you put your key, adjust a little bit, then you shift it. Then you adjust again, then you push it out. Finish. Look at what I'm going to do now. If you play it now, you will see that the video have It has rhyme now. So this is it. So take time here to do your own. After this one, then you move again to the point where your hand is. Use your hand up to the point of your hands, okay? You crumple it a little bit so that you will see your hands, okay? Then after that, you go and locate key again. Click on keyframe again. Click on keyframe again. You start adjusting it like you did to the first one. Just move it a little bit, then you move it. After whichever one you did, after you finish doing it, check, look at it, make sure it rhyme before you go to the next one. Look at this one now, good. Then you go to the third one. Wait till where your hand come up. Immediately your hand comes up, then you come there, you click on that one, then you crumple it and take it up to the point of your hand. That is how you are going to do all of them till you finish the number of plates that you imported in this workspace. Okay, look at what I am doing. Okay, this is it. Take time here, play with it so that you will get a perfect result. Play with this very place. Okay, remember, this is where the magic is. This is where the work is. So you need to play with it to get a better result. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Okay, so at the end now, look at the what I'm going to be doing now. Where you need to spend more time is where we are going now. Okay, where you need to spend more time is where we are going now. Look at where you need to spend more time. This last plate of food here, because you want to be kicking it. Okay, so immediately you put your key, you are adjusting it with your hands. Make sure it rhymes with your hand till it gets to your leg. So you need to spend more time here so that you will get a perfect result. The moment you put your key, move with your hand. As your hand is coming up, the plate is coming down. Okay, till the point you remove your hand, then you draw the plate down to the point of your leg where you kick it. Immediately your leg touch the food, then you push the food out. Watch what I'm going to be doing now. Okay, you push it down. Shoot your leg. Immediately your leg touch it. Okay, look at it. Adjust it to the point of your leg. Make sure you take time here to adjust it to look okay. When your leg comes up, adjust the food to the point of your leg. Look at it now. Then you can now push the food out. Okay, look at it here. Okay, look at what I'm going to be doing now. Just push the food out. Good. Let's play it and see what we have got. This is good. Okay, so at this point now, this video I think and I believe is ready. We are going to play it now to see the result we have got. But at the cost of playing this video, take your time. If there are necessary adjustments to make, then you take your time and do your necessary adjustment. As you can see, I have not left this place. I'm still making sure the video look okay. Okay, you take your time here to make your own look good. Okay, so after that now, then we are going to make some cuts to remove the unwanted parts. First of all, you want to trim your main video after you have watched it and see that you have gotten the perfect result. Let's just watch the result. Let's watch what we have got. Okay, after watching it, the next thing is to go and cut off the unwanted parts. Okay, good, 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 good. Okay, you can see now. So the next thing now is to trim it. Click on that major video, trim it. Then you come and click on these ones and split them one by one. Click on them one after the other. You split all of them. After splitting, then you start deleting. Look at it, split them, then you start deleting them. You delete them one after the other. After deleting them now, this your video is ready. Okay, this video is ready at this point. What is remaining now here is to add your sound effect, your light effect, color, so on and so forth as the case may be. Then after that, you can now export this your video. But you are saying, I don't know how to do such, or I don't know how to do that, I want you to put me through. No problem, my number is at the description of this video. What you need to do is just go there and DM me so that I'll put you through. But there is another thing you need to understand about this video. If you try to export it now, you cannot be able to export it. Reason being that you use multiple auto pro features, auto removal, and auto removal is a pro feature. But don't worry, we have got you covered. I've recorded a video there on how to use Capcut Auto Pro features for free. Go and watch that video and come back and export this your video. Okay, like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. If this is your first time of coming across our YouTube channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Okay, locate your notification bell so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. Thank you. Stay safe.